Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. So much of affiliate marketing is very straightforward. You choose a niche which in an ideal world will be something that you're passionate or you have knowledge about, and then you make sure there are affiliate products and services to promote as an affiliate within that niche. So far so good. Then you sign up with an affiliate network or join an affiliate program directly. You find your products, grab your affiliate links, all very straightforward, nothing difficult there. Now, it's the next step where many affiliates have problems. You see, they just don't know how to promote their links. Should I start a blog or a website and leverage Pinterest, for example? Or should I cut out all that work and go straight to social media and leverage their traffic? Well, you can do that, but the amount of people who will go to the trouble of clicking on your profile or bio is minimal. Maybe only 1% will actually do that. You see, people are lazy. They don't want to have to go somewhere else to take the trouble to find your link. They want the link right here, right now. And that's not easy to do on social media because they don't like people leaving the platform because they lose money on the advertising revenue. So if you do post a link on Facebook, let's say you do a simple post on Facebook and include an external link, then what do you think will happen? Well, I'll tell you what will happen. That post will bomb because Facebook is not going to push something that pushes people away from the platform. And you think about Facebook stories, for example, you can add a link in there. There's a link option, but it's not very clear when people see your story where to find it. It's not obvious. So what's the answer? Well, I'll tell you what, let's just jump into the computer and I will show you something which does work like gangbusters. Okay guys, so here we are in Canva. All depends on what type of story that you want to create. This is obviously graphic and text background. If you didn't want to show your face, you might want to do something like this. Obviously Canva's got loads of options on the left hand side to create a story. So this is 1920 by 1080. That's basically the story size. So I've added some text. I've added the graphic from this course that I'm promoting, which is it's a Facebook organic course for high-tech affiliate marketing, and this is a free crash course. So this is what I'm promoting with this story. Now, as you notice at the bottom, I leave a space here, and I'll show you why I do that in just a second. But this is all very simple, just dragging and dropping and adding little bits of elements and shapes just to build something. I really like this type of stuff. It gets attention because once you see it amongst every other's mundane story, this really stands out. It's really in your face. So I do all this, anything to get attention. And maybe I'll show you some other options in a different video. I'm creating these stories. That's something for something else. But this is my story, and I've left a space here. And the reason I've left the space is that's going to be the area where I'm going to add my external link. You can link anywhere with this, it doesn't matter. You know, it's not like an internal link with Facebook, a link to your profile. You can do that if you want to, or you can link to, sometimes I use this to promote my Facebook group, so the link would go straight to my Facebook group. That also works really, really well. But for this tutorial, this is obviously where to promote your affiliate link, so you can just put your affiliate link in here. So there you go. That's just a simple thing that I did on Canva, 1920 by 1080. You can play around with this and enjoy yourself and do different designs. And obviously it's important to find out what works, what gets the views and what doesn't. That's all. That information you will not know until you actually post it. So I'll have to come off the desktop now and go on to the mobile. I'll basically show you what I do. I'm going to go into Instagram to set this story up. Okay, so here we are on Instagram. Just need to click the plus icon at the bottom, and then want to click story, and then we can choose the image that we want to use. As you can see, I do very vibrant graphic images for stories, very eye-catching. It works for me. If you want me to do a different video tutorial on this, then just let me know. But the one at the top is that the one we just created on Canva. You can see the space at the bottom. So we just need to click on the sticker icon and then just choose link. Then we can paste our link in. This free crash course will be a bit.ly link, so I'll just put something like click here for, I'll make this free course. There you go. Click done. And there's our link that we can add in this space. We can make it larger. Let's drag it to where you want it to go. Something like that. So there you go. That is basically it. So we click the arrow. Then we can share this story, this Instagram story with Facebook. So we're on 2 platforms, 2 bites at the cherry, more audience, more traffic. That's exactly what you want. And then just click on the share button. And that's basically all you do. So here we are just on Facebook. I'm still on the mobile right now, and there's obviously the story that's just come from Instagram. So we can click on that. There's our music, and then we can just click on the link at the bottom, visit link, and it takes us to the free crash course. And that is how it works. You can promote any link, it doesn't matter, any external link. It all works with this perfectly. The link is very, very clear in the story, and you can obviously experiment with this, doing different types of story. Video stories work very well if you want your face on camera, if you're okay with that. But if you don't, just choose the graphics types that I use. Vibrant colours, just make them stand out amongst all the rest. And I'll show you something like that in a minute. But that's basically how it works. Just bear in mind that this will only work when you do it on the mobile. It doesn't work when you do it on the desktop. You cannot create that link on the desktop version of Instagram, and the link when you're viewing it on the stories on the Instagram and Facebook on the desktop, the link will not work. It's basically mobile only. But most people, 98% of people are on Facebook on the mobile and Instagram on the mobile. So as long as it works on mobile, that's all we want. So let's just go back, and here's the actual. I'm on the desktop now. So you can see it works very well, but it won't work on desktop. It only works on mobile. But you can see it really, really stands out. If you look at all the other stories, basically, they're all a bit mundane, aren't they? You see what I mean? But when you go back to one I just created, it really, really stands out, and that's exactly what you want. So that's a great way of doing this. Works for whatever link you want to use, or whatever affiliate link you want to use. This works really, really well. You just got to be consistent with it, and just experiment with the graphics. If you want to do graphics and text or do video, just experimenting, and just see what works best for the actual affiliate products or service that you are promoting. Now, if you're interested in some training where you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, or $3,000 a month, I know the best affiliate marketing training program. It's the best that I've ever seen. That can take you there. I'll show you exactly what to do, step by step. Great training, 5-star rated. If you're interested in that type of thing, just watch this. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.